Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept two strings S1 and S2, and the program must find the position of first occurrence of each character of S2 in S1. And finally the program have to print the character from min position to max position in S1. The program have to accept two strings S1 and S2, and the program must find the position of first occurrence of each character of S2 in S1, and finally the program have to print the character from min position to max position in S1. So let us now consider for our test case for better understanding. This is our first test case. Here S1 and S2 is given. So this will be our S1 and this is our S2. So first let us find the index of letters in S2. So O is present in the first index of S1, so 1. And next A, so A is present in the, that is 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So A is present in the sixth index of S1, so 6. And R is present in the fifth index, so the index of R will be 5. So now we have to print the letters from min position to max position. That is from 1 to 6 we have to print the letters. So here min position equal to 1 and max position equal to 6. So we have to print the letters from index 1 to 6 as our output. So from 1 to 6, that is O to A will be printed. So O R P O R A. So this will be our required output. Now let us consider our next test case. In this test case, S1 is equal to skillrack and S2 is equal to LAK. So now the index of L is 0, 1, 2, 3. So it is 3. And the index of A is 6. And the index of K is 1. So now you have to print from the min position to max position. So min position equal to 1 and max position equal to 6. So you have to print the letters from position 1 to 6. So from 1 to 6, that is from K to A, this will be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. First let us get the input from the user S1. Similarly, we will be getting the input S2 also from the user. So S2 which is equal to input. And after getting the input S1 and S2, let us have a list called indices for storing the index of S2 in S1. So indices is equal to list of, so inside this list let us pass our condition. S1 dot index of ch for ch in S2. So this will be storing the index of letters present in S2 in S1. So now we have to print the letters from min position to max position in S1. So print S1 of min of indices to max of indices. As the last case is exclusive, we will be adding +1. So this will be our required code for today's DC.